ringing you, sir.
Nightcrawler 333.
Yeah, I heard that there, ain't no doubt. Hello, 333. Hello to you too there. Hey, for right, yeah, he's talking about all that music down there in Kentucky playing. I told him, I think they play that thinking all the CBers might get out in the middle of the floor and start dancing or something there. I don't know why they do that.
Most all day long, seems like every day.
Yeah, well, I'm kind of far enough away from it that I'm not even hearing it, you know. It has to come in, has to be real quiet, and I have to point my antenna right at it before I can hear it, but I usually don't hear any of it up here. I'm just at right distance, sir, Roger.
I-10-4. It's not too loud, but it's loud enough.
Yes, sir, that's all. You know, it ain't that way too, but...
Oh, we're flying on, fella.
Hey, Tim, boy, all right, I'll get on the side there at 333. Have a good day.
What a ball.
In Indiana, I just can't get that moving around.
I-10-4, Nightcrawler.
28-11-11-11-2019-333-Tx. That's the way it is.
Get you later, take care of the 07 Blazer, Indiana way.
Have a good one, 825. Another gentleman you talking to also. Y'all sounding good in Indiana. Nightcrawler, back quiet. Now, Roger, at 825. Hey, 825. Y'all have a good day. Nightcrawler in these cornfields in Indiana, back quiet.
Old Nightcrawler's sounding mighty good over here in the big horn.
All right, Topeka, Kansas. You sounding good too there, my friend. Old Nightcrawler in Indiana. Yeah, I'll be able to hear you. I hear you good.
Have a good day over there. I know you're going to probably have to take the girls. 1212.
Hey, wake up, up our shoestring.
I'll see you. Bye. No, you got school tomorrow. Cold weather coming, buddy.
Good morning.
Yeah, I think it's 57 degrees outside right now, and in a couple of hours or so, about 2 o'clock, I think it's supposed to be in the 30s. The snow.
I got 51. Massachusetts, bad boy, Illinois. Yeah. And finish my trees for good rain. Come in here and get all them leaves off.
Yeah, it ain't gonna take much, you know it.
Yeah, I thought it was shredding and cutting up yesterday. I put them back in the ground. Can't beat that fertilizer. It's good for your garden too, buddy. If you get you a big batch, throw in that garden and burn them.
I went out with my neighbors yesterday out to the farm. We was fishing that one there, and they caught a couple blues. I caught one real fast, and on the way out, I stopped by another pond. First daggone cast, I caught one just a hair over 6 pounds.
How big bit over 6 pounds, you said?
Just a hair over 6 pounds. I got a scale out there on my pontoon boat. You know, it just reads pounds, and it was right on the 6 mark, but it was so heavy on the other edge of it. You know, probably about a 6 pound an ounce, but it's a good 6 pounder.
Yeah, that's good. That fillet out so good.
And I was sitting there for a little bit, and I backlashed my pole, caught a daggone weed, backlashed that bait caster of mine, and so they come down there, and they was fishing, and taking pictures of that fish and stuff, and I was down there on my hands and knees trying to pull it out. Finally, I cut about half of it out. Got it going again out there at the edge of dark, and I throwed out there about 3 casts. Daggone, I hooked another one, but I seen a big wave coming after it, and I know it was after it, and as soon as it pecked it, I jerked too early. I hooked it just for a minute. Must have had a tail hook in that worm, and man, the water was rolling. It was bending the old rod, and it come off. It was another big one.
I see it there was probably a pretty good size.
Well, the pond shiner, they've been there for years, and there's nobody ever fishes them. You know, somebody might walk down there once a year and cast 10 times. Fish them.
That's the way I do over here on the Kentucky Avenue. They start those ponds about, I'll say, 10 years ago, 100% stocked. I went over, you know, a couple of years ago, and I'll tell you, I caught my limit. Limit all I wanted.
I like going out there hunting now. I bought me one of them fishing poles, you know, them ones you push together, you know, where you can pull the rod out and push it in. That thing fits right in my glove box in that little side-by-side.
So that's cool.
That's pretty cool, man. I gave him $19 for it, brought it home, took the reel off, and I put a bait caster on it. That old boy down there with me, he said that thing was bent in every place where it pushes together. He said that rod and reel looked like a square.
How about it? Skip land. Texas, we're trying.
Old Skip's gonna get rough, ain't it?
Yeah, it is. You better get that 305, or he's going to be hauling again.
305, we're trying. Come on.
Go ahead and get him, Shiner. I'm gonna save him, man. Go get me another cup of coffee.
201. Got a copy on Rubber Duck in Indiana. 201.
Hey, 305 Texas.
Indiana.
305 Texas, Moonshine, Indiana. Good morning. Have a fine day.
Anybody else out here? My little radio up here in Indiana. Where'd y'all go?
Where'd you go?
James. I don't know. He just talking up there.
Well, he's going to get him some more coffee. Get him some more of that coke.
Rubber Duck in Indiana. Rubber Duck up here in Indiana.
Get him some more of that gold juice, that black stuff.
I don't know which one the crawler is. Rough Rider, where you go? Rough Rider round.
I'll say it.
You guys can't hear my little radio out there.
I know it's not crawling in Indiana.
Where you at? Real good, and they say, boy, ain't nothing.
Well, the light here, you come in the South Mayan Tower. You probably paid me out if I was swinging around there. I might not have to go a long ways.
Let's say good morning. Come on. Okay, I can't hear you skippers out there. Where you all at?
Right there, right back. There I go again, no doubt about it. Good morning, right back. Good morning to you, no doubt about it. Mr. BJ, Great Lakes, getting down. Nature Boy, Detroit. Right there, 201. What it look like right there, Nature Boy. Come on.
Ellie said he had him in the attic.
1,500 pounds of power. Hello.
Real comfortable, too. Probably uses one for a damn feeling.
Can you hear me out there, Nature Boy? What the power? Brother. Anybody out there got a grip on old Mr. Tripp? Mr. Tripp, 307, Indiana Cornfield King. Oh, right there, Nature Boy. Baby bear. Hey, you guys hear me out there? Come on.
Get up today? I'm right here, GW.
Mercy on Percy. Hey, 201. Detroit. 201. You're bumming it down, you're sounding good right there. Nature Boy, they throw it right back. Come on.
Boy, I got a hard watch. Could I borrow something?
Dan, you're sounding good. No doubt. We got snow up here in Detroit, man. No doubt about that. I guarantee it. Oh, yeah. Blessed day to you. I hope you got some good night weather. No doubt. Nature Boy, great lakes. Bye-bye.
Up there a while ago, too.